Hey, what's up everybody? This is All Out with Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, if you end up finding that my content is helpful or entertaining, please give this video a like by mashing that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to continuously receive content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, let's talk about the Galaxy 4 Classic. All right, now this comes in two different colors. You can get it in black or you can get it in silver. All right, and it comes in two different sizes. The 42mm or like I have here, the 46mm. All right, and just really quick, just want to talk over some of the quick specs before we get this thing open. All right, now it does have 1.5 gigabyte RAM and also has internal storage of 16 gigabytes. All right, it is rated IP68, which means it is dust resistant and it could be submerged in water up to 5 feet for 30 minutes. All right, so if you're caught in the rain, if you're washing dishes, if water happens to get on it, there's no concerns there at all. All right. Now this is compatible with Android 6 or higher. All right, not iOS, but Android 6 or higher. And battery life, they're claiming up to 40 hours. It has to be put to the test, but they are claiming that you can get up to 40 hours with this. All right, now it also has some new sensors on there. It has a body composition sensor on there. So I am definitely looking forward to testing this out. Let's have a look at the box. All right. As you can see, this is the Bluetooth version. There's also an LTE version. All right. With that stated, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. All right, slide this off. Let's get this out of here real quick. There we go. All right, let's pull this open. Obviously, quick start guide, not going to need that. Of course, you have the charger and the magnetic cradle. All right, no, this is not detachable, as you can see there. Type A plug right here. Here's the Watch 4 Classic. Pretty nice. All right, clear all this stuff up really quick. All right, so we can have a closer look. You can see that the buttons are different from Effect. Let's do this. So this is the Watch 3, same size in the front. You turn it to the side. The Watch 3 is a bit thicker, as you can see there. It's a tad bit thicker. Look on the other side here. You can see that there. It's a little bit thicker here, a little bit slimmer. All right. Still has that rotating bezel, which I've grown to love. Now the setup process is quite simple. All you need to do, swipe up as it states here and see what it says there. Get the wearable app to complete the setup pretty much. So now you're gonna get your phone, make sure you have the wearable app installed and then follow the steps, all right? If you want to change the language, you could tap here and you can choose other languages. But I'm gonna leave it here. And then as it states here again, Now it's time to go to the wearable app. Now, if you want to actually see this in action, because again, I won't do it here for the time's sake of the video, you can go ahead and hit that card right there and it will show you the same steps. That card will be the setup for the Active 2. All right, but again, the same steps that's going to be for the Watch 4. Now, if you don't have this app already, you're going to search for the Galaxy wearable app on the Play Store. And once you have that installed, you will be able to continue with getting this set up. Once you start going through the process, you should start seeing this after adding a new device. All right. And as you can see, the next step is to go ahead and get this completed from the app. Then it should be all set. Now, if you have a previous backup, like from the Galaxy Watch 3, which I'm going to do is load those backups to this watch. And that's it. The setup is all complete. And now it's just completing, I guess, some of the configurations, and you should see it load in a few moments. All right. Some of the quick demos and how-tos. One. Here we go. All set. All right, let's see how this looks on my wrist after it's been set up. See how it feels as well. All right, slide that in there. All right, pretty nice. Pretty nice. All right, nice and comfortable too. All right. And again, you have, this is the big new piece that's added to the Galaxy Watch series, the body composition. All right. Got different sports activities. As you can see here. That's fine. All right. So many of them, so many. Go back. Let's get past that. Let's go over here. Pretty cool. So, won't spend a whole lot of time here. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Again, let me go back here. As you can see, the ECG. All right, so pretty cool for the heart monitoring and many other features. Even has this, well, they had this before for stress measuring, but it's a new interface, pretty cool. All right, so overall, definitely looking forward to testing this out. And let's go to the app section really quick. All right, yeah, we got that. So again, you have Play Store, because again, this is Wear OS, this is not Tizen anymore. Pretty excited about that, and so many other apps here. You have access to more apps in the Play Store versus Tizen. So this is going to be definitely interesting. All right. Now, if you're interested in getting the Watch 4 Classic, of course, I'll have a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my quick unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.